Meron ka rin bang hinangaan na artista na impress ka dahil hindi mo siya lubos sa kilala pero wow, ganito pala tong taong ito.
Coco is one man that I salute. I take off my hat.
Why?
Nakita mo ba yung batang Quiapo sa probinsyano? All of them are old people. Hindi man sinasabi ko old, no? Thespians, matatagal lang na artista, and they're all there. And Coco had been helping them a lot. At sa awa naman ng Panginoon, kumikita ng katakot-takot. Di ba sabi nila, kung hindi bago, kumikita. Kasi pag ganun ang palad mo, papasok ang grasya. Pag ganun ka, walang grasya, nadada ng grasya. And Coco is like that. It happened to me once when I needed help from him, for a friend whose husband was dying, and I don't know him. He knows me as Celia Rodriguez. I know him as Coco. She was crying all over the phone. Sabi niya sa akin, my husband is dying na. Lumabas naman siya sa probinsya. No? Sabi ko, isipin ko kung sino. So, tinawagan ko